Welcome to 4449 Southwest Salmon Avenue, located in Redmond, Oregon, in Emerald View Estates. This home sits on a 9,147 square foot lot, is 2,578 square feet, built in 2018, 4 beds, 2.5 bath, with a main floor primary design. The original owners still are in the home. It's fully landscaped, has an oversized 2-car garage, great mountain views from the back patio. There's great continuity throughout the neighborhood. There's a neighborhood park with basketball court. It's a beautiful home in turnkey condition with a great room layout, bonus room, and a covered back patio. Now standing at the front door in the foyer, looking through the hallway to the great room. The powder room is accessible immediately upon entry, right next to the den. A super convenient location if you're working from home to have the half bath right there. The den is spacious, has great natural light through eastern facing windows. 9-foot ceilings throughout the main where it's not vaulted. It is vaulted in the great room area. Double French doors for this space. Nice architectural details throughout. The laundry room with utility sink. Spacious. Has a good hanging rack too. Again, the powder room. That is the door to the oversized 2-car garage that is extended length, has shop space in the back, room for the longest vehicles. Looking back at the front door, the built-in sitting area with hanging and storage, stairs that lead to the second floor, storage closet as we get close to the kitchen, wood floors in all the living space down here, carpet in the main floor primary. The fireplace has nice built-ins around, boxes for the speaker system. It's very custom, a good spot for being able to get the TV's componentry hidden away. Large dining room space here that leads out to the slider and the large patio. And then the kitchen with breakfast bar, quartz countertops, the pantry here on the left, all stainless appliances. Subway tile backsplash. Really nice, great room layout. Leading to this main floor primary. Quick look back so you can see those vaulted ceilings. The main floor primary has more than adequate space for a king-size bed with end tables. This is a queen-size bed, but a king fits really comfortably. There's a nice view through the window while still having privacy. The home has blinds throughout. Nice cellular blinds too. More than adequate space for all your furniture. The primary has a soaker tub, shower, double vanity, enclosed toilet, and a spacious walk-in closet. It's tiled. in the shower with a fiberglass basin. The walk-in closet has great organizers, is spacious, and then the enclosed toilet. That soaker tub again. Just an awesome main floor layout with everything in perfect condition. Now upstairs, looking into the bonus area that overlooks the great room, there's a built-in desk. Just a really great use of that space. A big bonus room. Overlooking the great room. All three of the guest bedrooms open into the great room. All three guest bedrooms are very spacious. Lots of natural light. You can see those cellular blinds. And the home does have central gas heat with AC. Hall closet for linens right next to the upstairs shared bathroom. And this bedroom has a really great walk-in closet. The guest bathroom with double vanity is spacious, has a tub shower combination, lots of floor space, perfect for being shared between siblings or guests. A really functional second floor layout with a second living area. Standing in the backyard under the covered patio, you can see there's beautiful mountain views. That's Broken Top straight ahead with a bachelor off to the left that can be seen from a couple locations, and then the Three Sisters to the right behind a few trees. As you move around the yard, you can see them all. There's great privacy back here looking across irrigated fields, lots of space under cover, so when it's sunny you're not getting too much heat. Down to the pool that's included. The trampoline is not included. There's a sprinkler system back here. There's a retaining wall leading down to that area that's all flattened out. It's just an awesome space. And there's Mount Bachelor straight ahead. As I said, as you move around you can see all the mountains. Really awesome backyard though. There's some extra space on the side too if you needed to put in a storage shed. These are all pavers. Really my favorite surface for all season outdoors, mainly because they are not as slippery when it gets icy. And if you need to move things around, change some wiring or plumbing, it's easy to lift them up and make those changes. There's a hose bib. Just an awesome space. Great for enjoying the sunny Central Oregon outdoors. Standing here next to the community park. It's part of Summit Crest as well. Summit Crest and Emerald View share this park. You can see there's a swing set, a full half basketball court, benches, Small playground here, pavilion, an area if you need to get out and throw a ball for a dog or throw a football with your kids. Just a little bit of extra space, connects to the whole neighborhood. Definitely a nice feature. And it ties into everything here between those two neighborhoods.